Okay, going to have a look at some angle rules here in this lesson. Basically, the ones we need to really concentrate on are the parallel lines and the proper names. The Z angles are called alternate because they are on alternate sides of this diagonal line. Angles in the same place are called corresponding angles. Also, these opposite angles are equal. If you notice, they're in the same place as well. So corresponding angles equal. This one here, in between parallel lines, adds to 180, but the proper name is interiors adds to 180. So in this question, it's wanting to look for a pair of alternate angles. Alternate is the Z angles. So if you watch the pen there, F and C would be alternate. Also, you can see it going this shape, B and H would be alternate. Adjacent means beside, so there's F, so you could say E, or there's F, G is beside it. And if A is 60, what is angle E? So this is angle E here. So if A is 60, E is also 60, and why? So because it's in the same place. So A and E, the same place. So because these are called corresponding angles, because corresponding angles are equal. Example 2. When I look at that shape there, I see a couple of triangles here. I am looking for angle X. This angle in here is 14. So that means vertically opposite. This angle here is 14. Now, you can see a straight line here, 14. So this here angle is 180 minus 14, 166 degrees. So that's 166. If you remember a four-sided shape, you see the four-sided shape there, four-sided shape adds to 360. So angle X is 360 minus that 166 we found, minus the 62, minus the 90 degrees. So just put them all that together into the calculator. 360 minus 166 minus 62 minus 90 gives an angle of 42 degrees. So X is 42 degrees. Now, angle B. You can see the big triangle there, ABC. So the angle for part B is angle Y. So it's 180 minus your 90 minus that angle X, which is 42, which gives you an angle of 48 degrees. Next one here. Show that this angle X equals Y plus Z. I'm going to label these angles A, B, C. I'm going to look for this angle in here. So it's the acute angle. So acute angle ACB. Always the middle letter tells you where the angle's at, and I want the acute side. So ACB is a triangle, so 180 minus Z minus Y. I want the other side of it. Let's call this D. So X is angle ACD. It's a straight line. So it's 180 minus angle ACB. So it's 180 minus that angle up there. 180 minus Y minus Z. 180 minus 180 disappears. Minus minus becomes plus. Minus minus Z becomes another plus. I've got a couple more here to do. Let me just run through these. AB and CD are parallel. Work out the size of the angle X. So we'll just start piecing together here. First one I'm going to look at is ABJ in here. So we'll need to write out exactly what I'm doing. So ABJ is 180 minus 140 because it's a straight line. So that's 40 degrees in there. I am now going to look at angle JFC. So JFC, if you can see in here, this, so I'll mark on the angles as I go through them. So ABJ, if this one worked out, I can now work out this one nice and easily because it's a straight line. Gives me 30 degrees. So 30 and 40. The next angle I'm going to look at is BAJ. So BAJ. Can Can you see the Z shape in there? Alternate angles. So BAJ equals 30 degrees because alternate angles. Next angle I'm going to look at now is AJB. 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 So I have this one worked out. It's 30 degrees. So you can see the triangle in there. So it's 180 minus 30 minus 40, which is 110 degrees. If I now know this one, to work out x is really simple. 180 minus 110, 70 degrees. Example 5. I want to find this angle y. Well, this one here, so BDC is x. There's one up the top now. CBD is a triangle. 180 minus those two x's. I've got a straight line here. So angle ABD is 180 minus the one we've just worked out. So ABD is 2x. I can now, this is an isosceles, so these are equal. So this angle up here is also going to be 2x. So angle BAE equals 2x. The one on the bottom here, so angle AED, if you remember, between parallel lines adds to 180. So it's 180 minus 2x. And now I want y. So if I know this angle, y is going to be 360 minus that one. So 360 minus 180 is 180 minus minus plus 2x. And the last one I've got to look at here is quite a really simple one. It looks complicated, but it's quite easy. Add these two, gives you 180. So 4y minus 12, add 2y equals 180. Tidy that up. 6y equals, adding that on, 192. So y works out to be 192 divided by 6, 32 degrees. Now do the same for this. 5x add 4x minus 9 equals 180. Tidy up. 9x equals 189. So x equals 21 degrees.